Rovaniemi, the official hometown of Santa Claus and the gateway to Finnish Lapland, is a truly enchanting destination that offers a unique blend of Arctic wonders, cultural experiences, and natural beauty. Located just a stone's throw from the Arctic Circle, Rovaniemi invites visitors to embark on a magical journey that includes everything from meeting Santa Claus to witnessing the mesmerizing northern lights. At the heart of Rovaniemi's allure lies its Arctic identity and the chance to experience the magic of the Christmas spirit year-round. The Santa Claus Village is a must-visit, where visitors can meet Santa himself, cross the Arctic Circle line, and explore Santa's post office, where millions of letters from children around the world are received and replied to each year. The Santa Park, an underground amusement park, offers a winter wonderland experience with ice sculptures, elves workshops, and a chance to visit Santa's secret command center. The Northern Lights, one of nature's most captivating phenomena, are often visible in Rovaniemi during the winter months. Husky and reindeer safaris provide an authentic Arctic experience, allowing visitors to glide through snowy landscapes while embracing the tranquility of Lapland's wilderness. For the more adventurous, snowmobile safaris offer an exhilarating way to explore the snowy terrain and chase the northern lights. Rovaniemi's cultural scene offers insights into the history and traditions of the Arctic region. The Arcticum Science Center and Museum provides a deep dive into Arctic research, indigenous cultures, and the challenges faced by these unique environments. The Korundi House of Culture showcases contemporary art and music, adding a modern flair to Rovaniemi's cultural offerings. Rovaniemi's culinary scene is influenced by its Arctic surroundings and embraces local ingredients. The city's restaurants and cafes offer a range of options, from traditional Finnish dishes to international flavors. Reindeer meat, freshly caught fish, and hearty stews are popular delicacies that showcase the region's culinary heritage. Nature enthusiasts will find plenty to explore in Rovaniemi's surrounding wilderness. In the summer, the midnight sun creates a surreal and magical atmosphere, allowing for activities like hiking, fishing, and exploring the diverse flora and fauna of Lapland. In the winter, cross-country skiing, ice fishing, and snowshoeing are popular outdoor pursuits that allow visitors to immerse themselves in the Arctic landscapes. Rovaniemi is a destination that seamlessly blends Christmas magic, Arctic wonders, and natural beauty. Whether you're visiting Santa's village, chasing the northern lights, immersing yourself in cultural experiences, or exploring the Arctic wilderness, Rovaniemi promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Lapland's unique charm, the warmth of its people, and the timeless allure of a place that embodies the magic of the Arctic spirit.